I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up saves and config files so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the game folder, steam/steamup/common/truckers of Europe 3, and navigate to the config and mods directories. Make sure you have permission to edit files. Run as admin if Windows blocks access. You don't need to change game code yet. Instead, prepare a copy of any file you will edit. This prevents permanent issues and lets you test changes safely. You now edit the configuration to disable night visuals. Open Graphics, CFG or Config. CFG with a text editor and search for night mode, night shader, day-night cycle, or ambient light tags. Change night mode to 0 or remove the night shader line. Alternatively, raise ambient light from low values to around 1, 0, 1, 2 to brighten scenes. Save the file and keep the backup copy. If the game uses a mod, remove or rename the mod folder in Mods to deactivate the night override before testing in-game. You finish by launching Truckers of Europe 3 and checking visuals in a short drive to confirm night mode is gone. If scenes still look dark, load windowed mode or change in-game brightness first, then relaunch. If the game crashes or settings don't apply, restore your backup and inspect the game log for errors. Missing shader references or syntax mistakes in the config are common. As a troubleshooting tip, verify game files through Steam or temporarily remove recent mods. One faulty mod often reintroduces night effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.